Hello guys, yes, on the last video I actually taught you how you can be able to create a professional email. Yes, but on today's video, I remain the ultimate. Please do not forget, on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to install WordPress. Now we are trying to install WordPress on a particular site, and the name of the site is, don't forget, this is the site we have been using, giftedapple.com, and the shop, me to say. Now I told you, when a page is saying 404 not found, it means it's either you have not actually started building something on the site mostly. So we want to start building something on the site, and we'll be making use of WordPress. So I told you I'm going to show you how we can be able to build. Now I want to copy this, so I want to paste it. I told you how to visit your WordPress. You just put /cpanel. So how to visit your cpanel, /cpanel. Now you have to just click on this first enter button, enter here, and you are going to put in your passwords for this. So I already saved my password on my notes, so I'm going to just copy and paste username. This is my username, and also I'm going to copy this and also paste. This is my password. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on login, and automatically I'll be logged in. Now you see logging in, and it's redirecting me. So what we are doing on today's class, I want to teach you how you can be able to install WordPress. Now you have to go down to the bottom, and you will see Subtaculars app installer. So you see, I told you there are a lot of stuff you can use to build your website, but I advise you should go for WordPress, because WordPress, I gave you why we are using WordPress for this tutorial, is because it's flexible enough, and it's kind of easy to use and other stuff. So I'm going to click on this WordPress. Do not forget, we are trying to install WordPress on our site. Now what I have to do, I have to click on this install. Now it's going to bring out a menu. Then I'm going to select HTTPS. I can just change this to HTTPS since I've already installed the SSL. I'm going to remove this redirectory. You don't want to put a redirectory, you want it to just go directly to the site. Now what I need to do next is to leave it 6.1.1. this is the version, or should I say the higher version of WordPress. So what I have to do next is to maybe site name and my WordPress. So what are we designing? Okay, we are about to design a landing page. That will be our next class. So I'm going to click on the site name. The name of the site we are trying to build is let me just write gifting apple. Okay, sorry, gifting apple. So the description is a landing page. So I wish you are actually doing a shipping site. You can just put shipping, and the rest. Now the admin username, now you have to select the admin username you want, and your password. These are your admin password, so you have to be very careful what exactly you are putting in here. So I can just put admin, then the password, the admin password, I'll be the one to decide it. So I'm just going to put it. So this is the password I'll be using. So what I have to do next is to come down. Now you can actually install you can actually install a WordPress theme directly from this site. So it just depends on what you want. So but I don't want a WordPress theme, I just want to install directly. So I have to just click on install, and I'm just going to wait. You see it's installing. Don't forget, this is how our site was looking like before we want to install the WordPress. So let's just wait and see what happens. So this is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. Please take note. Now you see, hola, we have actually installed. Now you can hear congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now the WordPress have been successfully installed at HTTPS, which is our website. How we should put a subdomain, it's going to put / blah blah blah. Now administrative URL. Now this is your WordPress login. Don't forget, WordPress login is different from the cPanel's login. The cPanel is known as your control panel, handling all your sites, while your WordPress is just a particular site it it is trying to control. Now let me refresh this. Let's see whether our WordPress have been installed. If our WordPress was successfully installed, it's going to change. Now our WordPress was successfully installed. How do I know? Do not forget, we saved it as gifted apple / landing page, and you can see hello world. You can see WordPress is already installed and active on this site. Now this is how it looks. So what I have to do is click on this link. It's going to take me to my WordPress. Look at, I click on the second link, please take note. So it's going to take me to my WordPress. Now you see I entered directly from my cPanel to my WordPress. Now what about if you are not entering directly from your cPanel to your WordPress? What I have to do is to write this. Let me show you how you can be able to do that. So you are going to just copy this. You are going to copy this, and maybe you just put it in another link. Let's see. So you are going to just impute WP just the way you impute cPanel. Let me tell you now. This is how you do it. cPanel. This is how we impute our cPanel for us to log in. Now, if you want to log into your WordPress, you just have to put WP-admin in all the sites. This is how you can be able to log in into your site. Now, it's because I'm already logged in. That is why it just takes me directly to this place. But if I was not to be logged in, I'm just going to input those two passwords I input. And I always advise, whatever you are doing, make sure you always save your password. You remember we use admin. Let's not forget that, admin. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put the password I use. So what I have to do next is to come down and say WordPress logins. So I'm going to just save this and I'll just keep it for reference purposes, or maybe if I forget, I'm just going to come back here and actually take it up. Now this is how our WordPress interface looks like. So on the next class, I'll be teaching you the first way to design a website, and the first website we will be designing is your landing page and your sales page. You know, I told you we'll be running ads and all of it. You need a landing page and your sales page for you to direct your customer, client, or whoever to your landing page and how people can buy from you. So stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not subscribed, and also follow the class if you are not yet a student. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.